Alright, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be cleaning my cold air intake filter. We're using K&N recharger kit, step-by-step instructions, very easy to follow, and we'll walk you through it. I know there's multiple brands out there, but personally I've used K&N in the past and I prefer it. But it's your personal preference, they'll do the same thing. Let's get into it. Alright, obviously this intake is on a 2008 GTI. I'm not sure how your car's set up. I know in Wes's Mustang it's tucked in over here, but mine's right on top. Let's get into it. I just got one clamp holding it on. You could use a 7mm flathead or Phillips, whatever type of bolt is holding it in. And then mine's really easy. Just wiggle right off. That's that. And we're gonna clean this bad guy. Alright, so first things first, I got the filter out, and now we're gonna take the K&N Power Clean air filter cleaner, and we're going to spray it down. We'll get to it. Make sure you shake it up. I shook it up prior. Let's get the whole intake. Alright. Now I'm going to take a hose. Make sure it's on like a gentle pressure. You don't want to have too much pressure. It could damage the foam. But now I'm just going to rinse it off lightly. It's just going to be so dirty. Oh my god, look at that. It's yellow. You want to get the inside too. I don't know if you could see through the camera, but this water just turned dark. Alright. So now that's all clean, but before you do anything, you want to let that dry, and then you want to spray the oil on it, but definitely don't want to put that on your car right now. It'll run very weird. Alright, it's been drying for about 10 minutes in this 90-degree weather, but I got a little impatient, so now I'm going to take an air hose and I'm just going to blow out all the water. Last step is to oil it, but I'm going to skip that step, just personal preference. And now I'm going to put it back on. Gotta kind of finesse it on there because that rubber is sticky. Alright, that's back on, and just tie it in. That's a wrap for the intake cleaning. Alright, so we got the intake out of the Mustang, which was kind of a process, unlike mine. I actually had to disconnect a couple things from the piping, and it sits right in there. As you can see, this one's very dirty. And we're going to do the same process. Spray it, soak it, dry it. Alright, now I'm gonna wet her down. Yeah, I think it's dirty, dude. Yeah. This thing changed color.
guys, so we just finished cleaning both of the intake filters. Next we're going to do a nice wash and detailing of the rims and tires. We'll link some of these in the description below. So let's get into it.